Hi everyone, this is Raju from Smart AI Technologies. Today I am going to show how exactly agriculture crop yield prediction application going to work. I think in previous video you saw how we can build a model, how we can analyze the data set and all those things. But in the end, we need to make a user interface where we can enter the data and we can get the result. Okay, the first part of this video is that initially I will show you how exactly the application is working from my system, and then I will try to explain you how we implemented it, maybe from front end and back end. For further information you can contact us. The better way is you can just subscribe the channel or click on bell icon, where I will be sending the next updates, maybe a clear explanation about this application or like that. When I will be sending, you need to know. So for every news and notices, try to click on the bell icon. Okay, you will be getting notifications. The thing here is I made this based on the previous video. If you didn't saw the previous video, you can go to our uh, YouTube channel and watch that video, Indian crop yield prediction, like that. Okay, and after that you can come here and you will get to know exactly how I built this application. Okay, first I will show you how it's working. Initially we need to enter what is the state name, so I am entering Maharashtra. So next thing is what is the district name, and I am entering Dhule. Okay, this is the here, this is the season, okay, Rabi season, and what is the crop and how much area. Okay, and after that this comes temperature, what is 32 33 or like that. Okay, here wind speed maybe 23 or like that. Okay, you can enter the data, and after that maybe pressure, yeah, it was 21, so let's keep it 21. And after that there comes the humidity, let's make it 27. And soil type, silt time, you can give any soil types. And after that this is nitrogen amount, like 43 maybe, and you can give phosphorus amount maybe 53. And then comes the potassium, maybe 66 or like that you can give. And when you click on crop yield, you'll see that the yield will be 1217 kg for hectare. Okay, and the next most important thing is in the application I added another feature. The second feature of this work is crop advice. What this gonna say and what this gonna give based on the nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, temperature, humidity, pH and the rainfall. It gonna advise you which crop is better to grow in these situations. For example, I will show the result. Now let us keep nitrogen as 23, phosphorus maybe 33, potassium maybe 28, temperature 33, humidity maybe 21, pH maybe 8 or 9, so no. And the rainfall maybe uh, let us ask for the advice. It will say like you will get best yield if you cultivate smooth beans. This is how the whole application works. You can build it to all over India data set. If you have any idea of building for another states or all over India data set, you can contact us. Okay, I will be helping you to implement those ideas based on your requirement. Okay, I think you can see the result, and you can understand how we are implementing this. When it comes to part of code, for front end we are using HTML and CSS. For back end we are using Flash. uh, the structure I will show you. I will not show you in depth codes in this video for now. If you contact us, we'll give all the part of codes and everything. We will help you to implement it in your system. Okay, we will give the detailed services. uh, that's the thing. Okay, here you can see for template we made some HTML files for front end, so we'll keep under templates, and you can see some images which I used in front end and other stuffs. For back end I have app.py here. Hmm. This is that app.py which we are actually executing. Okay, once we execute this, we'll get those options. Okay, this is the stuff you can just like your video if it was helpful for you, and you can subscribe, and especially I may give a detailed video next time, so you can just click on bell icon. Thank you very much.